In front of me is our Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on your photos right away. If you want to, you can also select gallery. Look for the chosen ones over here. Click on them and tap on Add at the top right corner. You can even select gallery. Tap on Folders. Then look for your photos in one of those apps. In Recent Files by tapping on Images at the top, or select those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, hold it and choose Select at the top right corner to attach your photo right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!